Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kitty and in today's video I am going to be playing Horse Riding Tales. So in a while I've seen a lot of people play this game and I really wanted to try it and see for myself. But also I really wanted to start a new series on the channel. So yeah, let's get on. So please select language. My language is in English, in fact. So yeah, and we can customize our character. Oh, we've picked our name. Can I customize my name? Okay. Lucky Lucy Kiss Amber Knight. I'm going to skip to this part and I'll show you the name. Ellie, Elena, Sahara. I could. I think I'm gonna pick. Okay, I have made my choice to pick Elena Sahara. Let's click on yes. Okay, please wait. I am waiting for this game to load. Ouch. Okay, hello, Mrs. Foxall. I accidentally. I didn't press anything. Wait, it's skipping my tab. A town of fashion. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. What is it? It's an honor. Maybe sure to keep it close. When the time comes, you'll be able to see what to do with it. I'll better get up to the stable behind Nathan. He will be waiting for me. Use the joystick to move. Okay, go to the stables. Okay, that person's got a tiger. Go to the stables to help Nathan. So I'm probably wondering. You have to um, go follow the arrows. That's Nathan. Oh my gosh, Nathan's face is kind of scary. Okay, morning, Alina Sahara. Happy birthday. I suppose you now that you're older, you won't want to work here. Don't be silly, Nate. We'll be friends. I love. I'm just going to skip this part. Okay. So okay, this is my horse. Replace this to the hay. What? Wait, if this is hay, won't the horse just be eating? This is supposed to be straw, not hay. Good job, Alan Sarah. Now check the horse through. What? We're changing these horseshoes. You just don't go around and change all the time. Change this her horseshoes. Well, that's so good. Let's just skip to this book. Let's just skip this book. I know what I'm doing. Don't need to teach. Now, okay, now click over this emerald thingy. Now, clean the horse, calm the horse down with the taming board. I can't even see the horse. I'm so bad at this. From the stables, and this horse is mine. Just going to skip it. No, I'm doing. Wait. Let me just check something. I need to finish the tutorial. Lame. Okay. I'm not even pressing it. Completely charge of you this feature. What the heck? Stop. Stop. There. Oh, 11 feeding the horse. Wait, but I want to. Okay, let me just ride the horse. She does not know how to ride. I'm just firstly the original flight went to a tier 2. Let me just say, okay, tier 2 horse jumping ship, which is very weird. Okay, hold the charge button. Press the button. Wait, I did it wrong. Wait, what? Okay, that horse jumped too high. Okay. Sorry if I blowed in your guy's face. Not on your face. Like I meant. I'll just use all my stamina. Whatever. There are a lot of points. I don't think you guys can hear me, but I don't know. The music's too loud. My mood is sad. I have a bridle on. What you saying? Okay. That's really felt. I'm just gonna skip all of this. Finally finished the story. Now I can see if the graphics there. Let me just go to media. So I can see what's happening around the environment. Okay. Make your horse happy. Ooh, okay, now we go into this stable to control the bit hard. Now oh, we're doing it for free. Oh, I just skipped that by accident. We're going to do every single chore for our horse. It's kind of stuck here, and I am kind of there. You need to press that button. Now we give water to our horse. Wait, we're just praying. What? What? Okay, we're just supposed to. Why not? Wait, the horse is supposed to know us. Oh, now I know. You're just supposed to put on the hole. There. Now exit stable. Now what? What is this? Book. Main quest. Side quest. Okay. Okay. Well, now we are mining wood. Not cutting down, but mining with a pickaxe. And I'm just don't really need to put a disclaimer in for video. Name for the horse. Okay, I'm gonna name the horse. Let me just think. Well, my typing thing, puppy, droppy comes up. Okay, I think the horse's name should be that's all. The name should be. I'm writing random stuff. The game's crash is crash. So I think I'm going to name the horse Bay Bubbles. Bay Bubbles. That's the horse going to be named Bay Bubbles. Okay. Let's click on this. Like this game is like nice for the environment and stuff. Like like as the environment. Like there's nothing bad. Questing side, I'll rate on the horse just Rube's horse, but on the questing side, I'll just like rate this game like 9 out of 10, and because you know, look at this horse. This horse is so beautiful. How do I dismount my horse? Oh, click over here. What a animation! Rear. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I want to. There's a free. Wait, I want to come here back. That was a free shot. Can I get this one? I can. I'm gonna get this horse. Still, like I'm like not being rude to this game. That it's kind of cute. Like besides, 'cause it's like my first time playing that, so I'm giving my complimentary. So yeah, sent to stable. What do you mean by that? So we'll keep it on pen. Oh, you can sell horses. I'm gonna get back to my stable. What is wild mode? Wild mode will be unlocked at level 100 for this horse or spend gems. What? So you need to get to level 100. Wait, you can charge a horse. So this horse needs some charging as well. Not autumn leaf. That's autumn leaf. Autumn. How do you spell autumn? Autumn. I'm sorry guys, but I don't know how to spell autumn. Okay, there's autumn leaf. There's autumn leaf. Let's write it in. Okay, that's right. You need to equip a saddle. Do I have any saddles? I think you need to equip it from the other horse. Who's the saddle? Excuse. My code you can use there. There. Take off the saddle. Where's the bridle? Okay, the bridle does not appear to be on the screen, but I'm going to write the source. But that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.